Okay, pupils, we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 97. We are on unit 9. So this is lesson 6, Learning to Learn. Activity 1, read the essay and choose the best title. So take correct sign. So ABC. So before we do this, we need to understand the paragraph or essay thoroughly. So basically you need to do activity 2. So activity 2 as written here. So write a topic sentence for each paragraph. So let's concentrate on this first paragraph here. So what we eat at school is important for our health. Millions of children around the world eat lunch at school, and this can affect their health. School meals are often in the news because people think they should be healthier. I believe that the situation is different in every school. So paragraph number 2. Pupils make choices from a menu including burgers, pizza, and chips. Canteens sell snacks like chocolate bars or crisps, which are full of sugar or salt. Pupils often drink fizzy drinks, which contain several teaspoons of sugar. So you write a topic sentence here. So this is suggested answer. So you can write the meals in some school canteens, so double E, are not very healthy. Not very healthy. Full stop. So this is second paragraph. So this is a topic sentence. So next we go to paragraph number 3. However, so again written here, some However, some schools offer more healthy food. So full stop. However, some schools offer more healthy food. There is a choice of healthy options like salads, vegetables, and fresh food. Unhealthy fast food is not on the menu, and pupils eat food with less sugar and salt. A snack could be a healthy apple. So last paragraph. In my opinion, so you can write as schools should give healthy food choices. So we have full stop here. Schools should give healthy food choices. If pupils have a healthy diet, they will feel more energetic and their school work will improve. It is also important for pupils to make healthy choices about the meals and snacks they eat at school. Next time you feel like chocolate, try an apple. So back to activity 1. So we tick the the best title. So the best title should be C. So are school meals healthy enough? So this is the final answer. So that's it for this page here. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 97. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.